Hello friends, how are you? I hope all of you will be fine. So today I'm going to discuss about the most important topic, okay? That is the solving of quadratic equation. So before starting the topic, first of all we will discuss about the how to find the zeros of quadratic polynomial. In chapter 2 of the standard 10, we have solved the problem related to quadratic polynomial, which is done by method of method of splitting middle term into two parts. So in this topic, we also use method of splitting middle term. Okay, have you understood about this? We will use the method of splitting middle term to solve the quadratic equation. So today I'm going to discuss about solution of quadratic equation by factorization method, and in this method we are going to use method of splitting middle term. The method name is method of splitting middle term. Splitting middle term. Okay, have you understood about this? That means to solve any quadratic equation we have to use three methods: factorization method, method of complete square, and quadratic formula. So first of all, we will discuss today. We will going to discuss about the factorization method. The method name is the factorization method, and in this method we use splitting middle term method. Have you understood about this? Okay. So first of all, we have to take one example for this. Understand? So we take the example as 6x square plus 11x plus 3. The question is 6x square plus 11x plus 6. Now the question here is how can we solve? So first of all, multiply the first term and the last term. Okay. Then what we get? We get 6 into 6 is equal to what we get? 36. Now we have to take factors of 36. What are the possible factors of 36? 2 into 18. Okay. 6 into 6. Okay. 12 into 6. Okay. 9 4s are 36. Okay. These are the factors, and we have to choose the one factor by which by adding we get 11 or by subtracting we get 11. Understand? From these factors, either we get by adding, either we get by subtracting. What we get? But we have to get 11. Now think about what is the possible factor. Sorry, here is 3. Then 6 3s are 18. Okay, the question was wrong. That was first of all we write 6, but here is 3. Then 6 3s are 18. So we have to choose the factors of 18. Okay, then 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. Okay, and also as okay, 18 ones are 18. Okay, so we have to check, we have to take one factor from which we get 11. So 2 9s are 18 and 2 plus 9, how much we get? 11. So we can take as 6x square plus 3 is equal to 0, and 11x can be split into two parts, that means 2x and plus 9x. Is it clear? Now make two pairs, first two pair and last two pair. From first two pairs we have to common 2x, then in the bracket we get 2 3s are 3 and x plus 1, and here will be common factor is 3, so we get x, so we get 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Now 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 will be common, then second bracket we get 2x plus 3. First of all, we take this as a 0. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x will be equal to minus 1 and x will be minus 1 upon 3. 1 goes to right side becomes negative and 3 goes to right side becomes divide. Is it clear? This will be answer. And again, also 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we get 2x is equal to minus 3. X we get minus 3 upon 3. and this will be answer. Okay. Now we take second example. The second example is 3x square minus 2x minus 1. How can we solve? First of all, multiply the first term and last term, that means 3 ones are 3. We get 3 ones are 3. What will be the possible factors of 3? 3 ones are 3. There is only one factor. Okay. So from this one factor we get 2. So if you subtract 3 minus 1, then we get 2. So how can we write? Square and minus 1 is equal to 0, and minus 2x can be written as minus 3x plus x. Okay, clear. 3x and x, we have to choose one term as a minus and one term as a plus. Clear. Here we have to obtain as minus 2x, so we take greater number as minus and lesser number as plus. If we have to take a positive, then we take here positive and here is negative. Okay, but here is negative, so we take 3x as negative and x as positive. Now make two pairs. Okay, so from this pair we have to common 3x and we get x minus 1. Again plus 1 will be common, then we get x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 will be common factor, and then in other bracket we get 3x plus 1. Okay, is it clear? Now first of all we take x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and also 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, 3x is equal to minus 1, then x will be equal to minus 1 upon 3. So we have two answers, two solutions. There are two roots of, actually for any quadratic equation we can obtain maximum two roots, either one roots also, but we can obtain maximum two roots. So this is the method which I discussed about you. Okay, so for the next video we are going to solve the exercise 4.2. Okay.